For the carnitas, we are going to use the Instapot. And with the Instapot, first what we're going to do is brown the meat by putting it on saute. Okay, now the Instapot is hot on the saute mode. And what we're going to do is, here is the marinated pork pieces. And I am going to select those pieces. We're going to brown everything. But first what I want to do is render some fat, meaning just extract some of the fat to make it oil into the pan. So I'm taking all these fatty pieces, putting it fat side down to render some of the fat. And there's another fatty piece here, so just place that down. And once your fat is rendered, you're now going to add your fresh chopped garlic to the rendering. Saute that a little bit. And you're basically caramelizing garlic. Now, if you don't get that much rendering from the pork, you can always just add a little bit of olive oil or regular cooking oil to saute the garlic. And then we can go ahead and continue to brown all the meat pieces. And once the meat pieces have been browned on the saute setting, then we can then start pressure cooking this. So this particular recipe calls for 90 minutes under pressure. And if you want to do it as a slow cook, you could do it anywhere from 6 hours to 9 hours under the slow cook. And the Instapot also has a slow cook setting, but I normally just use it for 90 minutes. It looks pretty well brown. So I'm going to just go ahead and add my marinade to the pot now. So here's my marinade. Before putting the lid on, I'm going to add liquid smoke, which is this brand, and I'm going to add 2.5 teaspoons of liquid smoke. Then I'm going to add 2 bay leaves. And I'm going to set my pressure cooker for 90 minutes on high. Just set it on a meat stew, and it's already set to 1 hour and 30 minutes on high pressure. Okay, and there it is. Okay, now I have separated the meat and the juices. So here's the juices in the gravy separator, and I have allowed the fat to rise to the top, and I will then just pour the juice back into the meat container after the pork has been shredded. So all I need to do is go ahead and now shred the pork, which is very easy because it has been pressure cooked for 90 minutes. Pretty much pulls away from the rest of the meat chunk. So that's what it looks like. And this is my gravy separator, so all the fat is floating on the top. I'm just going to pour the juices and then allow that to soak in and leave the fat in the separator. So there you have it. This will be a really juicy and delicious pulled pork or carnitas. Yum. More recipes can be found on sammywongskitchen.com. And if you found this video helpful, please like it and follow me on social media. Thanks!